Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this really cool innovative device, which is the Kenzzi, the Premium IPL laser hair removal. Well, self hair laser removal. I am super excited for you guys to get to know a little bit more about the handset right here. I am so excited. You guys, this laser, this self hair removal works, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, I was actually very skeptical about it. I was like, hold on, like, this device can really work, or it just won't do anything. But you guys, I was actually very wrong, because it works. It actually works. It's very effective, and not only that, it's safe for anyone using it, and the most important thing, obviously, it's super easy to use. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the Kenzzi handset. I already have one of my own, but they sent me a new one. So obviously here is the device, and then here you have the cord. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. I'm gonna show you like a little mini tutorial, super easy. So obviously the device, and then the cord, and then you obviously plug it in here like that. Turn it on right here on the back. Okay, so I'm gonna first talk about it a little bit, so you guys can be a little bit more familiar on how it works, on my experience and all that, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little like mini tutorial on how to use it, or how I use it. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna talk about it a little bit more. So obviously it is a self hair, I can never say those words together. Obviously it is a self hair removal device, which you can go ahead and try at home. It's super easy to use. It's actually very fast too. Kenzi also provides a quick and easy way to reduce hair growth. So pretty much if you use it, it's going to just reduce your hair growth from anywhere, like your arms. You can also use it on your legs. You can use it under your arms, or obviously your private area, which I have been using down there. I know it's too TMI, but I have been using it, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been to hair removal salons, and you guys, oh my god, it hurts. It hurts. The first time I went, I thought, you know, oh my god, it's gonna be okay. And mind you, I've never done waxing ever in my life, so this was like the first time anyone would see, you know, down there. I was very uncomfortable. Most of all, I was like, oh my god, like, I've never done this, but not a stranger, which is very uncomfortable. So I'm pretty sure a lot of women or girls don't go to hair removal places because of that, because they feel uncomfortable. That's what I think. But I went there thinking, you know, it is gonna hurt, like, obviously, because it's, you know, like a freaking laser poking at your skin, and it's just gonna hurt. So my mentality was already like, you know, this is gonna hurt, like, no going back anymore, because, you know, I paid a lot of freaking money for this. But that's the point. Like, I spent so much money, like a session, I think it was like $120 a session, which is a lot of money, you guys. I also was going very far too. Like, the place where I went to was so far that I was like, you know what, like, why am I doing like this whole ass trip just to get hair removal, you know? That was my experience. Oh my god, it hurt so bad. The first time I had to like get the little stress ball or like bite my sweater because it hurt so bad. And whenever I feel pain, I always laugh, you guys. I don't know why. That's me though. Like, I always tend to laugh if I ever have pain, and I was laughing, and I think the girl like hated me, you guys. Like, it was so frustrating for her, I feel like, because I just kept moving. I kept moving because I kept laughing. So it was just a whole bad experience. I'm pretty sure she's gotten worse people, but I feel like I was really bad. But I felt really uncomfortable. Like, I was like ready to go and like pull up my pants and just go, because it was that bad, you guys. My experience, the first time ever, was a really bad experience. And I went again. I think I went 5 times, I think. Yeah. And obviously the second time I was already prepared, like, you know, this, just to get it over with. Third time didn't even hurt anymore. The fourth was already used to it. And obviously the fifth, I was like, oh my god, I'm so tired of coming back and forth. Like, it was a long ass trip. I think it was like a 40-minute drive. Mind you, the freaking traffic and everything, it was pretty annoying, not gonna lie. So I stopped going, and I am so happy I stopped going because not even kidding you guys, the Kenzzi device actually works. It's very effective and it's very easy to use. So you guys are going to get results super quick, especially if you are not super, like if you're super hairy or if you have thick hairs, it's obviously going to take a little longer, but I have medium thick hair, if that makes sense. I don't have like a really thick hair. Like, my hands are not super hairy, and my legs, I have no type of hair, you guys. Like, I was blessed that I have no hair. I don't shave, I don't wax, but I do use it under my pits and on my private area. So I will show you guys how I do it under my armpits. I will show you guys that the IPL that has, it's like a form of light therapy, which reduces blemishes, wrinkles, pigmentation, you guys. Like, that's what you want. You obviously don't want the laser hair removal to add pigment to your skin, obviously not, but this will reduce that, the pigmentation and hair, you guys. Like, nobody wants to be a hairy beast. It's very versatile. You can notice a difference on hair growth after 3 to 4 treatments, with a complete result after 12 treatments. So also, I use this once a week. Sometimes I do try to do twice, so it can be like a quicker result, but I always use it once a week. I always use it every Thursday. Obviously, you have to shave completely and then go ahead and use this. Also, it will be less, I wouldn't say hurtful, but less painful, like really less painful if you shave right before using the Kenzzi device. For me, it's already, you can already see the difference, you guys. Like, it also depends on the person. So if you have thick hair, obviously the results will be very different, but for me, it's already working, you guys. Like, I'm so shocked on how effective it's working on me. And it also comes with instructions, so it tells you every little thing here, every single little thing. So it's really good that it does. The price of the Kenzzi device is $229, but I know it's pricey, but to be honest, like I said, laser hair removal is so expensive. Like, I already told you guys that my experience, you know, how much it was $120 for the treatment, for one treatment, which is expensive to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie and say like it didn't work, but because it did. But you're saving a lot of money if you get the device, because it's a $229 device. But if you use my discount code, which is SAR50, you will get $50 off your purchase, which is so cool. Like, thank you so much, Kenzi, because $50 is already a big difference. Like, it will also save you so much time, you guys, and you will have time to enjoy other things and not to worry about, oh my god, my appointment, my waxing appointment, oh my god, my laser hair removal appointment. Like, you won't have to worry about that. You won't have to drive, which is good. Like, you want to avoid that. Why would you want to do that when you have a device that you could do at home? Like, you guys already know that I'm a homebody person. Like, I film in my home, in my room. I'm always in my room 24/7. I never go out, only if, you know, I have to go get Starbucks and come back and literally just stay here the whole entire day. I'm a very homebody person. So now that this exists, I'm so happy, and you guys, like, and it works, so it makes me even more happy. And you guys, the struggle of shaving is real, you guys. Like, I get razor bumps all the time. Shaving, like, honestly, sometimes it even hurts, but I don't get it anymore with the Kenzzi device. I am razor bump free, you guys. And it also saves me so much time in the shower. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I shave, I take my time, because obviously I don't want to cut myself. And now I can just shave whatever I have underneath my arms and then go ahead and use the Kenzzi device, and then bam, like, it's so easy just like that. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna show you how it works on me and the levels and like the pain tolerance and all that. I'm going to show you guys right now. And yeah, all right, so I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So you plug it in pretty much, and then you press the power button right here. You can also click the settings right here. There's 5 types of levels. I always do the 3rd level, sometimes 4th, like if I'm feeling brave. But you guys, I tried the 5th one, and it's a little painful. Like, you want to start obviously off with level number 1. I feel like if it's your first time using it, or even 2, it's very you can tolerate that pain. It's not even painful, it's like this little sting you have, you know what I mean? But what I do, my underarms are shaved, but on the back, obviously you do the settings. I don't know if you guys can see right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I always, let's do 4. But there's 5 settings as you guys can see. So now all I'm gonna do is, obviously if it's close to your skin, it's gonna obviously do the little like flag, the little laser. But if it's not touching your skin, it won't. You know, it won't do the little like laser things. Okay, so here it goes. I'm gonna do level number 4. Obviously you can do it like faster, but I always try to like calm down a little bit because it does get a little hot. That's what it is. It gets a little hot. So I like breathe a little. It's not painful whatsoever, you guys. Like, I feel like we can tolerate this. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. It's just a little sting, little hot steam. Want to like take a little break too. It's very cool, not gonna lie. Whew, I need to take a little break. But it's very easy to use, you guys. It's like at-home treatment for you, for yourself. So you need to be like close to your skin so it does the little flash. When it starts to, you know, sting a little, I always try to like calm down. And then you can also use this like on your mustache, which I have not tried yet, but I am going to try it and I will let you guys know like my results. But I am definitely gonna try it, you guys. Like, obviously I take little breaks. You can do this as much as you can so you can get rid of those hairs. Like, think of this. Think of like you don't want to be hairy beast anymore. Just think of that. Whenever you're doing this, think of that. Just a little pinch. It's a little pinch. It's not even like that bad. Obviously, just take little breaks. Okay. That one didn't hurt. That one did. That one didn't hurt. That one didn't hurt. No. Yes. And then I have to like take little breaks, you know? But it works wonders, you guys. It works so good. Obviously, right here you can see the little like light beam. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much how to use the Kenzzi device right here. I am so happy about the results. You guys will be shocked when you get yours. Seriously, it works so good, and I cannot wait for you guys to go ahead and, you know, check them out. Obviously I will have a link down below on the description so you guys can go ahead and get your own Kenzzi device. And also don't forget that I do have a discount code, which is going to be also on the description box down below. You will get $50 off the Kenzzi device, which is, I mean, amazing. Honestly, it's a really great deal. And also, mind you, whenever you do the laser, you are gonna get like a little bit of redness, but nothing like crazy like that. The first time I did it, I did get a little bit of redness, which got me like, oh my god, what happened? Like, is it gonna stay like that? But no, do not worry, do not get alarmed. It's just because obviously the heat wave and all that is touching your skin, so it irritates it a little bit, but it won't. I'm honestly so impressed. Honestly, I'm so shocked on how effective this device is. Can already see like the difference. Like, the first time I used it in week 1 till week 5, I think, you can just automatically see how hairless you are and how you won't have to shave as much anymore. When you first use it, the first week you're gonna see a little bit of patchiness. Like, it's so funny because when I first used it, I was like, oh my god, I have like hair right here, but then I don't have hair in this little area, which is like what it's supposed to do. Like, it's supposed to get rid of the hair, obviously, and it also burns the root of the hair. So sometimes it works on certain areas like more than others. So that's why you get the little patchiness. But that's when you know it's working, because obviously like you want to continue doing it so you won't have hair at all. So that's what gets me very impressed. But yeah guys, I will have everything down below on my description box, the code you guys can use to get money off, and also the link that just drives you straight to purchasing the Kenzzi hair removal device. And I'm very excited for you guys to try it. Let me know if you guys want to try it down on the comments down below. Also, I would love to know, or if you have already. But anyways, yeah, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you guys want me to do more videos like this. Also, don't forget to press the bell notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.